Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to enable and disable swatches on your WooCommerce shop page. This feature lets you display product variations like colors, sizes, or styles as visual swatches instead of drop-down menus, making your shop look more professional and easier for customers to browse. First, open a browser and head to WordPress.com. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your WooCommerce settings and plugins. Once you're logged in, look at the left navigation menu and click on Plugins. This will expand to show you additional options. From the expanded menu, click on Add Plugin. This takes you to the WordPress plugin library, where you can search for and install new functionality for your site. You'll now see a page displaying all the available plugins you can add to your WooCommerce account. Here, locate the search bar at the top right of the page and type in Variation Swatches. From the search results that appear, look specifically for Variation Swatches for WooCommerce. Before installing, you can click on More Details to see a full overview of the plugin, including its features and functions. This helps you understand exactly what you're adding to your site. Once you're ready, click Install Now. The installation might take a moment to complete, so be patient while WordPress downloads and sets up the plugin. Once the installation is finished, you'll see the button change to Activate. Go ahead and click on Activate to enable the plugin on your site. Now that the plugin is activated, look back at the left navigation menu. You should see a new option labeled AOV Up, which is the plugin we just installed. Hover your cursor over this option, and you'll see additional menu items appear. Click on Variation Swatches to proceed with configuring your swatch settings. Under the Variation Swatches menu, the process is pretty straightforward. You'll see an Enable and Disable toggle switch right on the screen. This toggle controls whether swatches appear on your WooCommerce shop page. Simply click on the toggle to enable or disable the swatch feature depending on your preference. Once you've made your choice, click on Save in the top right part of your screen to apply the changes. And that's it, you've successfully configured swatches on your WooCommerce shop page. Your product variations will now display exactly how you want them. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.